Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. In today's tutorial, we're gonna learn how to share posts in multiple Facebook groups. So without wasting time, let's start. So first of all, I will open my Facebook application. After that, I will select a particular post that I want to share in multiple Facebook groups. After that, I'll tap on share option. Here I will see a option of groups. So when I tap on it, I will see lot of groups here. Here I can select what group I want and then click on share post, and you can repeat the same process many times to share a particular post in multiple Facebook groups. So here we go. That's how you share a post in multiple Facebook groups. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for further cool tutorials. So bye bye.